Back in early days of mobile, there was really only one way to give users the performance and features they expected. You had to use a native SDK. Of course, that comes with some trade-offs. And trade-offs is a situation in which you balance two opposing situations or qualities, like building in parallel for each mobile platform, hiring and retaining highly specialized and costly native developers, managing multiple code bases. According to Gartner, within most enterprises, demand for mobile application is growing 5 times faster than internal application development team can actually deliver. Given the time and cost of traditional native development, it's no surprising that many application development teams are struggling to keep up. Thankfully, time have changed as mobile and web technology have evolved. Hybrid has emerged as a viable alternative to natives. Many are now looking at hybrid development as a way to simplify and speed up development. Hybrid apps are essentially native apps. They are downloaded from a native app store or marketplace and access the same native features and hardware-based performance acceleration as any app built with a native SDK. The key difference is that hybrid apps are built using open web technology like JavaScript, HTML, and CSS rather than any specialized language used by iOS, Android, and others operating system. That means anyone with a web developer skill set can build an app with hybrid approach. Hybrid apps run in a full screen browser called WebView that is invisible to the user. Through customizable native plugins, they can access the native features of specific mobile devices such as camera or Touch ID without the core code being tied up to the device. That means hybrid built apps can run on any platform or device, all from a single code base, while still delivering a native look and feel. The top reason for making the switch from native to hybrid based on independent research and testimonials are speed. Building for multiple platforms from a single code base often makes delivering cross-platform apps 2 to 3 times faster than native. Efficiency. Foster estimates that hybrid can save an organization between 75 to 80% in support and porting cost compared to native. Omnichannel. Hybrid apps can run anywhere the web runs on a desktop or mobile browser as a mobile app or progressive web app.